They look flawless. They sound authentic. They post selfies, share opinions, and sign million-dollar brand deals. But here's the twist. None of them are real. Across Instagram and TikTok, a new wave of AI influencers is taking over your feed. Perfectly designed personas created by algorithms, selling products, shaping culture, and quietly rewriting the rules of social media. But behind the glossy images lies a darker story. Questions of trust, manipulation, and the blurring of reality itself. In this video, we uncover the rise of AI influencers, the money they're making, and the risks society can't afford to ignore, because they're not just joining the influencer industry, they're replacing the humans who built it. The rise of AI influencers isn't some distant trend, it's happening right now, and millions of people are already following them. Let's meet some of the most famous names in this new digital frontier. One of the earliest and most successful is Lil Miquela, a CGI persona launched in 2016. Presented as a stylish, mixed-race teenager from Los Angeles, Miquela has partnered with global giants like Calvin Klein, Prada, and Samsung. In 2020, she was even signed by the powerful talent agency CAA, cementing her status as more than just a novelty. For many, she blurred the line between human and machine, and proved that virtual influencers could compete directly with real celebrities. Then there's Aitana Lopez, an AI model from Spain created by the agency The Clueless. With over 300,000 Instagram followers, she brings in thousands of euros each month through modeling gigs, collaborations, and sponsorships. Unlike human models, Aitana is immune to scandals, doesn't demand time off, and is designed to meet the evolving tastes of her audience. In Tokyo, Ima, a pink-haired virtual girl designed by Or Inc., lives a curated digital life. Her Instagram features everyday snapshots, walking the streets of Harajuku, lounging at home, even attending art exhibitions. To her 350,000 plus followers, Ima feels less like a character and more like a friend. And in India, Kyra, the country's first virtual influencer, has already promoted Amazon Boat and John Jacobs eyewear. With over 200,000 followers, she represents how AI influencers are spreading worldwide, each tailored to local cultures and consumer markets. From a business perspective, AI influencers are a dream come true. Traditional influencers, no matter how polished, come with human flaws, scandals, scheduling conflicts, personal demands, or sudden changes in reputation. But virtual personas, they're immune. An AI model will never be caught in a controversy, never demand higher fees overnight, and never post something off-brand. The real strength lies in customization and control. Every post, every caption, and every campaign can be perfectly scripted to align with a brand's values. The influencer can be redesigned instantly to suit trends, a new hairstyle, a seasonal outfit, or even a different personality tone. As Financial Times noted, this level of precision gives brands something they've never had before: total control over the message. In short, for advertisers, AI influencers eliminate unpredictability while offering round-the-clock availability, creative flexibility, and global scalability. For many brands, it's not just a marketing experiment anymore. It's the future of influence. But behind the glossy campaigns and viral success lies a darker reality. AI influencers create unrealistic beauty ideals, portraying flawless skin, perfect bodies, and polished personalities. The launch of the Miss AI beauty pageant sparked outrage, with experts warning that synthetic perfection distorts cultural norms. Getty Images has also raised alarms about public trust and the spread of misinformation when people can no longer tell what's real. In Houston, a man was charged with creating AI-generated nude photos of a real TikTok influencer, an incident that Time and Houston Chronicle called a disturbing escalation of digital exploitation. Meanwhile, Meta's AI chatbots were found mimicking celebrities like Taylor Swift in flirty conversations without their consent. Perhaps most troubling, influencer Karin AI's chatbot clone went rogue, engaging in explicit exchanges and making $70,000 a week, raising alarms about AI autonomy, privacy, and the loss of human control. While the rise of AI influencers raises serious concerns, it also opens the door for responsible innovation. The first step is transparency. Experts and media organizations have called for mandatory labeling of AI-generated content, ensuring audiences can immediately identify what is synthetic and what is human. Without such disclosure, trust in digital media will continue to erode. The second step lies with platform accountability. Social media giants must not only set clear policies on AI-generated content, but also enforce them consistently. This includes banning non-consensual deepfakes, punishing misuse, and creating tools for victims to quickly report and remove harmful content. Ultimately, the solution isn't to reject AI influencers outright, but to guide their growth responsibly. With transparency, accountability, and ethical innovation, society can shape a future where technology amplifies creativity without compromising humanity. AI influencers are no longer science fiction. They're shaping culture, driving trends, and even replacing human creators. But behind the glossy filters and brand deals lies a sobering truth. Influence can now be manufactured, identities can be stolen, and reality itself can be rewritten. The question isn't whether AI influencers are here to stay. The question is, will we set the boundaries, or will we let the boundaries disappear? If you want more deep dives into how technology is reshaping our world, hit subscribe and stay tuned for what's coming next.